In this video, I will show you how to navigate your library. On the sidebar, you'll see the library of templates. The library has global templates, which are preset templates that are based on psychological safety and trust, team morale, purpose, strengths and role alignment, connection and belonging, performance and role clarity. Based on these dimensions, we have these set surveys, which you can preview here by selecting preview, and you'll get an idea of what will be sent to the team members and what will be sent to the team leaders. For the perception gap analysis, the team members and the team leaders are answering the same questions, and the system will diagnose what the gaps are between the responses of the team members and the responses of the team leaders. Here we have the option to customize. So when you select customize, you have the option to edit questions from the standard template by selecting edit. Then you can change the question, you can change the scale, or you can change the dimension. You also have the option to add questions to the existing surveys. If you add a question, you can choose, for example, to add an open text question. This then becomes a custom survey. Here you have the option to rename the survey, pulse check survey with open text, and then save it. Once you have a saved template, then it will be listed in my library. If you go to my library, you'll see here is the template that we created now with 21 questions because we added the open text. Another option is you can import your own template. Here you can import a document. If you're already using surveys, you can import it by choosing a file, and you can import and generate. And then here you'll see the template details are populated, which you can edit, of course. And here you have the questions that are pulled from the template that you uploaded. This will also be saved in your library. Going back to the global library, which is the preset library, here, using this info bar, you have the possibility to see the academic references, what each pillar is based on, and what each pillar is meant to measure. If you select about for the pulse check survey, because it's more of a general survey, you can see how it's designed and why it's designed in this way, what the sources are. The same with the culture fiction survey, which is a survey done by the team leader. It's only done by the team leader for the team leader to get an idea of what's happening in the team. It's a general survey for the team leader to practice some self-reflection on what could be going on in the team. The About section has the same references and information on how to read the results. There's also option to create a campaign from the library where you select use, and this will bring you to the campaign page where you can start a new campaign.